Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get this limited two-person action in Heartopia. So a few days ago, I shared how you can get the steps in Sync 1, but this is different. So select this icon here, and there will be a shared wavelength section. Go to event details. Basically, you will need to accumulate 4, 8, and 12 days to receive limited two-person actions. So you will receive these following actions by interacting with your friends every day for 12 days. And I'll show you guys what the action looks like. The actions look like. So the first one is called Fantasy Resonance. This is what it looks like. And then after that, there will be the Endless Affection. This is my favorite action. It's super cute in my opinion. And then we also have the Duo Team Assemble. And you'll basically get those 3 actions if you interact with your friends for 12 days. Also, the action will only be limited with that friend only. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!